beginning content creator. What a time, what a way to be. Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about things you need to have as a beginning content creator. If you are a beginning content creator, you are probably so full of dreams and ambition, and that is good, But I am going to help you transform those dreams from little thought bubbles in your mind into your honest reality. And in order to do that, there are some things you definitely need. Number one, belief in yourself. Before any other thing, you need to have belief in yourself. If you don't have that, I don't think you're going to get much of anywhere. You need to first and foremost believe that you can have this career and that you are a person who is worthy of having a platform, and know that you have something worthy of being shared with other people. Content creation is a career that can be viewed as unattainable for the average person, and I don't mean that to sound as if I'm saying that people who don't want to be content creators just don't have faith in themselves, because there are other completely legitimate reasons for someone to not want to be a content creator. Content creation isn't everyone's dream career, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. But if you do want to be a content creator, which would obviously be why you clicked on this video, then you definitely need to have that belief in yourself as a number one essential. Number two, you need to have your platform of choice. You can be a content creator on a wide array of social media apps these days. There's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Reddit, Twitter, exclusives pages. There's so many options, and as great as it would be for you to be able to utilize every single one of these platforms for your online career, it is simply not feasible for a lone content creator who doesn't have a team working for them to be able to stretch themselves so thin across all these different platforms. As a beginning content creator, you need to have your platform of choice that you want to focus your creative efforts and growth on. So for me right now, I'm focusing on Instagram and YouTube, and I also have an exclusives page, so basically I'm a bad example. But if you guys are new, hi, my name is Natasha. I have a lot to share with the topic of monetizing as a small content creator, and to the point of actually being able to turn this passion into a full-time career. So stick around, click that subscribe button, and let's get you paving the way to turning content creation into your full-time job, because I have been there, honey, and trying to monetize as a small creator. You need to use the proper strategies with every bit of content you post in order to actually make income with an online presence. It is seriously insane how little the proper method for monetizing to make an adequate income as a content creator is talked about. And I'm not even talking about a crazy, wild superstar status income. I'm just talking about a decent income to be able to replace a regular 9-to-5. And then, of course, you can reach higher numbers as you grow and all that. But when you just want to start out as a beginning content creator and actually start seeing those dollar signs come in from all of your hard work, you need to be utilizing the proper techniques of content creation as a business. It's almost as if content creation as a career is a complete fabrication that you're just falling for as an aspiring creator before you really understand how to properly monetize. But anyways, moving on from my little spiel, let's get back to the things you need as a beginning content creator. The third thing that you need as a beginning content creator is having a very strong reason as to why someone out there should follow you, and have that consistently present itself in your content. What is it that your content is providing for other people? Your content needs to remain consistent in the message it is bringing and the value it provides for all those subscribed to it. I thought it would be a good idea for me to present some examples of content creators who do this with their content, because there's a lot of different ways in which this can be done. For example, I'm going to show at the Alondra Flores on Instagram first. So scrolling through this girlie's feed, you can see it literally looks like a Princess Tea Party has thrown up all over her page. Every single photo she posts has this coquette bridal boutique Pinterest perfect aesthetic, including her profile picture, and the gravitation towards her content as a whole is outfit inspiration of this soft girl princess aesthetic. So anyone out there who likes outfits in this style will follow this account, because they can get outfit inspiration for themselves by following it. Let's move on to another one. We're going to go to @supergirlreject or Shauna Rourke. I'm sorry if I said the last name wrong. This is someone I have been mutually following on Instagram for a while, and if you go to her page, you will find poems and recordings of her journey as a self-employed poet living in New York. Her profile picture is an image of her typing on a typewriter to further emphasize that the person running this page is here to provide you with poetry. So the reason why people follow this writer's page is for poetry. Her writings resonate with them as readers. People feel connected to the messages and stories she illustrates within her poetry, and that is the reason people are following and staying tuned into this person's content. So as you can see from both of the examples I just gave, both pages have very strong reasons as for why a specific kind of person, a princess fashion girly or someone who appreciates poetry, would be compelled to follow their content. As a beginning content creator, it's like you are opening a new restaurant and every piece of content you give out is something on your menu. And so you put out a certain piece of content and that's your restaurant giving someone a sandwich. And the person eats the sandwich. And they're like, yum, that was freaking good. I'ma subscribe. Look, I'ma come back to you. But if you aren't consistent in your why, and the next time that person comes and they're like, hey, where's that delicious sandwich that you gave me last time? I really like that. But you're over here like, yeah, I actually have pasta right now, so no sandwich. Have some pasta. And then the customer's gonna be like, well, when I come here, I'm really just looking for a sandwich, so I'm just gonna find where I can get a sandwich instead. So it is important that you consistently give the people what they want, provide in the reason why they followed you to begin with. That's not to say that you can't change your content or rebrand when that decision is in alignment with how you feel. It allows for you to genuinely show up online. So I'm not saying you can't ever switch up your content. I've probably done it a million times myself. But once you do reach a place of alignment with your content, keep serving in that why for your audience. Let's switch it up. I'm going to give you one more example, but let's do a YouTube channel. Let's do @Lynette Atkins because I'm obsessed with her and her content. So if you look through her videos, there's lots of days in my life, how I changed my life, learn to let people go, glow up, level up, repeat, etc., etc. And her channel is all about living your dream life and your best life in a healthy, balanced way. And she is consistently delivering on this with every video she posts to this channel. Realizing hustle culture isn't for me. I booked a one-way trip to Costa Rica to heal my inner child. How I pull myself out of a depressive episode. And she's just got so many wonderful vlogs and sit-down videos, but she never misses on giving the people exactly what they subscribe for. The reason why people subscribe to this page for this healing, good energy, pursuing what's best for you content. So yeah, those are just some examples. There are billions more out there. I'm going to say one more thing that you need as a beginning content creator, and that is patience with yourself and with your journey as you are figuring out what the flim-flammy you are doing. Every part of my journey as a content creator has just helped me improve my skills, and as painstaking as it was for me to put so much effort into something and still remain relatively in the same place within the reality of my work life, if I didn't go through all of that experience, I wouldn't be making this video for all of you to see, and I wouldn't have gone the route of configuring how to monetize as a small creator without needing to meet a platform's minimum requirements or having to rely on unreliable and stingy brand deals. If you guys don't know about that, you can view the other videos on my channel, which I talk about the reality of pursuing content creation. Or you can just subscribe now to see all of my upcoming videos in becoming a full-time content creator. My docu-book, So You Want to Be a Content Creator, is in the works, and it is my little baby right now. So definitely stick around for the release of that, which I'm going to be sharing the proper strategy for monetizing your content as a small content creator without needing to meet any requirements or having to rely on the very lacking compensation of brand deals as a small creator. Anyways, I had so much fun making this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And hopefully I will be seeing you all in the next video. Till next time.